Hi everyone, are your Instagram reels not playing, not loading, or not working properly? Follow these easy troubleshooting steps to fix the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Turn on the airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Step 2. Check if the Instagram is down. Sometimes Instagram servers may be experiencing issues. Open your web browser and search for Down Detector Instagram. Click on the first link and check if the Instagram is facing outages. If Instagram is down, wait for a while and try again later. Step 3. Update the Instagram app. Using an outdated version of Instagram may cause issues. Open your App Store or Google Play Store and then search for Instagram and check for an update button. If an update is available, tap Update and restart the app. Step 4. Clear the Instagram cache and data. Long press the Instagram app and tap the app info and click the usage storage and then clear the cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your data. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix Instagram glitches. Turn off your phone and wait for a few seconds and turn back on. Open the Instagram and check the reels are working. And that's it. Your Instagram reels should now be working properly. Still facing issues? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram fixes. Thanks for watching!